What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the Air Jordan Fear Force. Excuse my voice. I am kind of sick, but we gonna be reviewing this shoe today. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, this is the box that it comes in. Got writing at the top of the box, and got a Jordan symbol at the top. Then, like on the sides of the box, got the cement all around. This is what the size tag looks like. I think it says black, white, anthracite. Make sure your size tag looks like that. This is a grade school box and a grade school shoe. So this is what the grade school box will look like. I don't know what the men box looks like, if it's any different, but this is grade school. This is how it comes wrapped, double wrapped. Got the same writing on the top of the box on the package paper. It's got the regular paper. Open it up. So this is how the shoe looks. Got like different shades of gray, black, the cement at the bottom. I noticed that this is the air pocket, is red on the inside. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's red. I think that's a nice feature. I do like the different grays, the darker gray here, the darker gray here, and then we got a lighter gray, and then like right here is a lighter gray as well. I do like that. Then you got like the same light gray on the eyelets. We got the black netting, black shoelaces, white Jordan symbol. They got black heel. It does come with this like cardboard thing to protect the tongue. It's like satin. It's not like the same material. The material is different. So it's like a light gray and then black. On the inside, this is what it looks like. And then this is what the bottom looks like. I believe these did come out in 2007. I'm not sure if they dropped earlier than that, but the oldest date I know is 2007, and then 2013 it was a part of a pack with 3s and I believe 5s as well. These are coming out November 9th in full family sizing, so men, grade school, preschool, toddler. I definitely think it's a nice shoe. I probably wouldn't get it because I don't really want to get too many black shoes, but I think this is definitely something that you could wear. You could wear with a lot of stuff. I wouldn't necessarily wear it with black. Maybe put like a white shirt on. Just something different. Don't wear black with it though. But this is definitely a nice shoe. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Air Jordan Fear Force. These are coming out, like I said, November 9th in full family sizing. So if you think this is a good cop, I definitely suggest copping. Let me know what y'all think about the shoes in the comments. And thank y'all for watching again. Peace.
When you beat the body in a